guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to design your second business card using new technique. So let's start. Firstly, click on File New or Ctrl N from your keyboard. Then change the name here to be second business card. Then change width to be 88 millimeters and height 55 millimeters. Keep the resolution 300 and color mode CMYK. And here background color white, it's okay. Then click on OK. Show them beside each other by clicking on Window Arrange to up vertical. After that, start making a selection like this one to be black in all this area. Create a new layer and use the pen bucket to fill this area using the black foreground color, and create another layer. Click on select using the same selection and transform selection. You can transform it to be here. Then click on enter. Change foreground color to be like this one by clicking on foreground color. Use the eyedropper to select the color from here. Then click on OK. Choose pen bucket again and click on the selection. Perfect. Now I have two colors here. I can deselect my selection by clicking on Ctrl D and reorder my layers by dragging the black layer to be on the first. And now you can make another selection. For example, this one. Click on select, transform selection, and transform it to be, for example, like this one. You can make it smaller. Rotate it again. I think it's suitable for my design. Then click on enter. Now with the selection and click on layer 1 or the black layer. Then click on delete to delete this area. And again, click on layer 3 or the last layer and replace the color foreground and background color to have this color or blue color, and click on here again. Choose pen bucket like this. After that, create another layer and click on select, transform selection. Transform the selection again to make it smaller like the original card or original design. Try to make it suitable for the design. For example, like this one. And after that, click on enter. Fill this area using the black color by replacing foreground and background color again. Choose pen bucket and on layer 4, click on the selection again. Perfect. You can zoom out using Ctrl+- from your keyboard. After that, deselect the selection using Ctrl D and start drawing these areas by choosing elliptical marquee. This is the first circle here. Create a new layer. Replace foreground and background color. Then choose again pen bucket and click on the selection. Now deselect the selection and click again on elliptical marquee. Draw another smaller circle here. Create a new layer and click on pen bucket. Click on your selection. Now deselect your selection and click on Move tool. You can make other copies by clicking on Alt and drag it to be blue them. Perfect. Now I have 4 circles the same size. And to draw something like this one, I can click on rectangular marquee and draw it. Have to be changed. For example here. And after that, create a new layer. Choose paint bucket again and use the same color. Click on the selection again. Now deselect the selection and use the move tool to change the position of all circles to be on the right position. Perfect. You can use the keyboard arrows to move them. Use the rectangular marquee again to draw something like this one. For example here. Move it using keyboard arrows and create another layer with the paint bucket and click here again. Then deselect the selection. Now I have everything except typing, so that I can click on T again and start typing using the white color. Okay. Here your logo. You can move it to be shown here. Then click on type tool again. Replace foreground and background color and click here on your design. Change font size to be, for example, 18 and start typing name and surname. Then change the position to be, for example, here. You can change the size again to be 14. I think it's okay. I just have to change your name to be like this one by using eyedropper. Click here again on type tool to modify this color to be like this one and click on OK. Now replace foreground and background colors. Then click here again on type tool and change font size to be, for example, 10. Type on your design job position. And change its position here. Again, create another type layer. Click on your design and type number of phone. Move it to be shown on the suitable area. Click here again on type tool and type email address at gmail.com, for example. You can move it directly without using move tool like this. And again choose move tool. Then click again on type tool to type the website www.website.com and move it to be on the suitable area. Click here again on type tool to type the last number here of fax. Blah blah blah. Any number, just for example. Perfect. Now you can change font color to be white and type just letters here, TEWF, T for telephone. But I have to change its color to be white by clicking again on T tool. As this color doesn't change, so that I can change it to be white. Perfect. Move it to be on the right area. Again, choose type tool and type E here, E letter. Move it to be on the right area. And again, type W. Move it to be on the circle, and finally type F letter, move it to be shown here. You can also create another layer choosing type tool and type here 2104 first address line, move it to be shown here or make it smaller. Perfect. This is my design and this is the original design. Now it's your turn to try.